I had been in India for almost 4 weeks and had booked my flight to leave the country the next day, but had one last day to enjoy. I was about to play cricket for the first time ever, but first you'll see how I met the people that I ended up playing with. I'd been staying in a small hotel and was getting ready to head out for some food. Hello! So I was on my way out, but one thing I wanted to say, like, in every hotel in India there is no toilet paper, only an ass shower. This is the ass shower. There's never any toilet paper. I was on my way out for some lunch and would end up meeting some friends that would invite me to play cricket later on. Oh, it is hot here. Must be like 30, at least 30 Celsius, 90 Fahrenheit, probably more. Here we have a little restaurant with some local food. We're gonna try see what they have here. How are you? Can I eat something? Do you have food here? Food? Something to eat?
Mills.
Eat?
Mills.
Yeah?
Mills.
Yeah?
Rice.
Yeah, rice. What else do you have?
Biryani.
Biryani? Okay. Is this biryani?
No.
What is it?
Plain rice. Chicken.
Chicken, yeah. Biryani.
Are you alone?
Or something,
Are you alone?
maybe something typical for India. And you, can you teach me how to eat with the hands? How do you do it? You take like this. Like this. Okay. Yeah, it's easy to beat with your hand. It's good. You can. It's big. Your hand is much bigger than a spoon, so you can. It's very good. Spices are good. Curry, right? Curry and yeah. I like. And this is garlic. Garlic or. Okay. Right. Sambar. Rice. So spicy. No. Oh. Yeah, that's good. This is the salad. It's like red onion and some kind of yogurt. Very good taste actually. Like that's good. Nom.
Water.
It's hot.
Water.
You drink hot water.
Hot water.
I try the hot water. Very good. He wants to go somewhere, but I don't know where he wants to go. He wants to show me something. Yeah? We go this way. Hello, my friend. We're going. What do you want to show me? Yeah?
That is the airport. That is all the airport.
Airport? Oh, no, I don't need to go to the airport.
Just road.
He wants to tell me something, but I don't know what he's saying. Do you know? Do you speak English? Do you know? Can you ask him what he wants to tell me? You speak English? No? Do you speak English? English? A little bit English? Or no English?
Small.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We take a selfie together. They are inviting me for some coffee. We're gonna drink some coffee. You have coffee? Okay. It's your house? Or?
My house.
Oh, okay. You live here, in this house? Oh, very nice. All of you live here?
Come.
Okay.
I cook.
Oh, you cook? You're a chef. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? You have a personal chef?
Personal cook.
Food. Oh, you make food. Okay. Very good.
Food.
Oh, it's what is it? Whoa. What is it? It's bread. Roti. Ah, chapati. Here we have chapati. It's bread. Very good. I know, my friend. Okay, it's the hookah. Okay, how you do it? Can you show me?
इसमें smoke आएगा.
You smoke it? No, for me.
अभी smoke इसमें.
You're gonna smoke? Okay.
Smoke आएगा.
Not for me. It's a video. I got the coffee. Coffee. Thank you very much, my friend.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.
Sweet dish.
This is sweet dish.
Yeah.
What is it? What's the name?
Prabhu Vishwas.
Parbu Vishwash. Okay. What's inside?
Sweet dish.
Sweet. Yeah, it's good. It's sweet.
Sweet.
Sugar. I got some coffee from them, really friendly people, and they want to play cricket later, so we might make another video of the cricket playing. Can I buy a drink? To drink something. To drink? Yeah. I take juice. Yeah, perfect.
Juice.
Okay, how much does it cost? How much does it cost?
10 rupees.
20 for you. Thank you. This juice is really good. I've had it a couple of times actually. Marvel mango drink. I maybe took a wrong turn somewhere, but I have my map at least, so. Here is my friend. He drove me to the airport the other day. Because I couldn't find the ATM, but he drove me to the airport and I found the ATM.
I help your friend.
You helped me very much.
Live name, your girlfriend?
No girlfriend.
Your family?
No family, no girlfriend. Our family in Sweden, yeah.
Sweden.
And you?
Yeah, this place.
This place, yeah. Here are your friends, yeah?
Okay.
Nice to meet you, everybody. Very good. Whiskey for the tuk-tuk.
No whiskey, only drinking water. Normal water.
Okay, see you. Oh, my neck is sizzling. The frying is deep. Whoa. It's like I took a shower. A few hours later. I'm about to meet some friends that I met here recently. They're gonna show me how to play cricket today. I've never played cricket in my whole life, so I'm really excited to get a little lesson from them. This is the house where they are living, so I'm just arriving to the house here now. Okay, I have arrived and we're gonna be walking over to the cricket ground, right? And then we'll play some cricket here with all the friends that I met earlier. Let's go. Now we're all walking over to the cricket ground here, and I think they play a lot. Yeah, I think it's an open area here. We're going this way. This. To the left. We're going to the left. Here. Okay, my friends, here we go.
Okay. Come on, guys.
Hey.
Welcome to India.
The holy cow of India. Hello, we're gonna play cricket. Akri Khan is here. He's gonna teach us how to play cricket today. So maybe if you can explain the basic rules.
Basic rule.
One person has this, right? You take this and somebody is throwing. And then you're supposed to hit. Yeah? And then you need to run.
You know Sachin Tendulkar?
Ball.
Hello bro, you know Sachin Tendulkar?
Say what?
Sachin Tendulkar.
What's that?
You know Sachin Tendulkar?
No.
No, he is the best player of India in the world.
Okay, I don't know the rules, but I think they're gonna throw it and I'm gonna hit it. Here, maybe. They have 3 poles here. Look, he's putting the poles. The poles. What is this for?
He played cricket.
Wicket keeper.
Cricket keeper. Okay. Okay. So I think he's gonna throw the ball now, and I'm gonna try to hit it. Maybe over here. If the guy from the other team would throw the ball and hit one of the 3 poles, then I would be out of the game. Like this. Okay. I missed, but he didn't hit one of the 3 poles, so I could go again.
One more.
One more.
If you miss and the thrower hits one of the poles, then you're out of the game for that round. Whoa! Yeah! Now it's my turn again. I'm gonna try, see if I can hit the ball. So we go again. After this guy, I'm gonna go see if I can hit it. Yeah!
Oh, nice!
I hit it, but if the other team catches the ball before it hits the ground, then you're also out.
My friend, William.
Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I just play cricket.
Okay.
I hit it once. I tried 5 times. I hit only once. Now I think I'm gonna go again. We're gonna hit some more balls. Good. They divided us into 2 teams, and then a coin was tossed to see which team would start.
Heads.
Okay, so we start. Now we have divided ourselves into a team here. I think of 6 people each, right? 6 people, 5, 6 people maybe. And I'm gonna learn actually how to play. So let's see how we're gonna play. 6 people. I think you have to run also. I have to watch and see actually. So I'm trying to understand what's going on here, but I don't quite know. I'm watching a bit to see what they do after they hit. I think maybe they are supposed to run to the pole here. We'll see. I have to watch and see what's happening. I think after you hit it, you're supposed to run as many times as possible, back and forth, to get more points, until the ball comes back to the starting point. So I'm gonna see if I can try again here. From what I understood, like you're supposed to hit the ball and then run and touch the pole on the other side and then run back again. But I don't know how long you go for.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
I hit a good one, but the other team had caught the ball before it touched the ground, so I was out again. They gave me another chance, but the same guy ended up catching it again.
Yeah, I know. 3 for him.
I'm out. Yeah, you can be in it. I'm out. I hit 3 balls and he caught it every time. So that's how you know if they catch it after you hit, that's really bad, right? If they catch it when you throw, it's bad. Usually you only have to catch it 1 time to be out, but they gave me 3 chances. And the same guy caught the ball 3 times. So I was out pretty quick. And now I'm trying to catch it here when they hit it over there. We lost, I think. We have to be outside. We're gonna try to catch the ball when they hit it over here. So if we catch it, then that's good for us. Here we have some kind of plants also. I don't know what this is. It's a big, huge field. I haven't caught the ball even 1 time, so it's better I get back on track. We're gonna see if I can also try to throw the ball. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, maybe. They seem pretty competitive here at this game.
More forward. Wait, one more time.
It seemed like the more times you can run back and forth before the ball comes back, the more points you get for the team. Oh, it's so hot here, I can't believe it. And I finished playing cricket, we won the game. But I still don't understand the rules. I might have to go back and drink some water soon.
We're gonna sign the autograph here. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh, we're gonna kick the ball.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So that was quite fun to play cricket, and also really friendly people here. That was nice to meet some friendly people, but I'm getting hungry again, so we might have to go and buy some food. All the people are really friendly here. Oh, I'm back in the cold AC. Now I'm gonna order some chicken noodles for 140 rupees. They have like a menu here. Yeah, there's a menu, we can order stuff. Here you have all the prices. It's really cheap. It's like 140, 150 rupees. Hello? Oh, it's the food. Yeah, thank you. Here. So this guy went to get change, but I forgot. I was only supposed to get 50 back, so I'm just gonna give it to him. Hi, all my friends. It's okay. It's for you. Oh, it's for you. Keep it. Sorry. Yeah, I gave him 50. He was happy to get 50 rupees in tip. Well, I got some chicken noodles again. Yeah, I got chicken noodles. That's one of my favorites. Chicken fried rice and chicken noodles. Really good. It's so good. Look. Nom 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 nom. In the next video I'll be flying out from India. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.